guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I have the brand new Elements of Evil palette from Sugar Drizzle and Angela, aka Doodles by the Bunny. This was Angela's inspiration for this Halloween palette from Sugar Drizzle, and look at the cover art. Angela always kills it. Angela is known as Doodles by the Bunny over on Instagram, and she creates these fictitious palettes for like Urban Decay, Pat McGrath, palettes that we all wish those brands would create. They definitely need to take notice of Angela's Instagram account because she is crazy talented. Let's open up this beauty and let me tell you exactly what you're going to be getting in this 12 pan palette. Now this is available already on the Sugar Drizzle website. It dropped a few days ago. I do have an affiliate code with Sugar Drizzle. It is Steff10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. In this palette, you're going to be getting 4 buttery mattes, 3 multi-chromes, and 5 duochrome shadows. Look at how beautiful these greens with the pink. I just think this looks like a gorgeous color story, and of course you do get a little mirror over here at the top. I like how thin it is, typical cardboard packaging, and I think we're going to have a lot of fun with this one. I'll be doing 3 looks with this palette today. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup, especially new indie makeup. I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, all that good stuff. If that sounds great to you, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button and hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Sugar Drizzle, if you're a fan of Doodles by the Bunny, or you just want some more Halloween eyeshadow inspiration, please give this video a thumbs up before you go. As usual, everything that I have on will be linked and listed in the description box. Some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. Guys, I have been running errands all day, and I'm gonna get this video up right after I film it, so forgive the hat. I have hat hair under this, but yeah, it's a sunny hot day here in South Texas, and I spent, part of my day outdoors, so yeah, forgive the hat for today's video. Let's get started, guys. If y'all want to see this new palette from Sugar Drizzle in action, keep on watching. And in case you're wondering which lippy I have on, it's from another Halloween collection from the Hella collection from Oden's Eye and Angelica. This liquid lipstick is in the shade Swamp Frog. So let's dive into Elements of Evil. I did prime my eyelids already with the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer. Guys, the green, like the section over here is just screaming stuff. Come play with me, come play with me. But I think I want to leave the green for either the second or the third look. Right now, I think I want to play with this shade right here. So I'm going to go in with this shade. This will be our transition shade. I'm kind of going to work it into the inner corner as well. And then I think I'm going to transition up here to this. This one looks like it's a more of a sequin shade. So it's a matte with a little bit of sparkle to it. So I'm going to start first with this shade down here. And I'm taking that shade on a Singe Beauty EO2. I'm going to bring that outwards as well. This is a really good orange. A soft orange, easy to work with, easy to build up and blend out. Perfect. Now I'm going to use a Singe EO5 so we can deepen up this outer corner. I'm going to bring back a little bit of that first shade. All right, now we're gonna play with one of these multi and duochromes. I think I want to do, let's see if maybe we can do 2 of them. I think I'm gonna start with this shade right here, and then maybe go into this shade over here. Like the reflex on them looks so cool. You're gonna have so much fun swatching this palette. That's the thing with this one. This one did swatch out really well. So I'll start first with this one. What is this one called? Witch's Potion. Using my damp Morphe M124. Now this shade right here is called Pickled Eyeballs. Same brush, I just flipped it and sprayed it. Wow, that is so pretty. It looks so good against that light peach orange shade. Look at all the different reflex in there. I see purple, green, orange. Oh, just so good. Sugar Drizzle has such a good formula. I'm gonna bring back a little bit of the first shade that I used just to blend right in here. And then I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of the black right out here. I like that the black was a sequin. I think that is like perfect for the palette and especially perfect for like the season. Okay, now for the lower lash line, I think we'll do the bright orange. Why not? This one is called Rotten Pumpkins. I'm taking that on the Refer 13 Mini. I do have mascara on already, obviously, and it's the Give by Gwen Stefani mascara. I always forget the name of it, but it's the only one that she has. I actually just bought another one. I got some of my Sephora order in. There was only a couple things that needed to be shipped. The rest, I had same day delivery, so everything came in yesterday. I was pretty excited. Ooh, loving this. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do one more shade. Let's try this shade right here, Elixir of Life, for the inner corner and a little bit on the lower lash line. Using a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush right there. Oh, good call. Perfect. All right, guys, I'm going to just touch up my mascara and add some liner, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. All right, guys, so here is the completed look number 1. I absolutely love the way it turned out. Again, Give by Gwen Stefani mascara for the top lash line. I tight lined with the Rare Beauty eyeliner, and then for the lower waterline, I used this new one from the new Melt Halloween collection. This one, it's a gel liner. This one is in the shade Terrible Vision. I think this one is in stock on the Sephora site. So if you're a Rouge member, you can get it at 20% off, but it tied in perfectly with that orange shade on the lower lash line. We'll love it, easy to work with. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number 2. For look number 2, I think I'm gonna work with this shade. This is the deepest shade in the palette, so I might be using it again. Or maybe I should pack this all over and then put this in the crease. You know what? Let's try that. But I'm going to go in with this one first. I'll go in with this one first, and then I'll pack this in the crease, and then we'll try putting one of these duo and multi-chromes on top of the black to see what kind of shift we can get. This one is called, I love the shade names. This one is called Toxic Brain Juice. I'm taking this on a Singe Beauty EO2 brush. This is a nice like seafoam green. It's blending out really well. I think it's true to its shade in the pan. Now on a Singe EO1, I'm going in with that black shadow. I'm just going to build it up here on the lid and blend it a little bit into the crease as well. This black shade is called Bat Wings, in case I didn't mention it before. I'm just going to use the Refer 13 with a little bit of bat wings just to define the shape, blend out these outer corners, these edges. All right, now I know it doesn't look too perfect, but that's okay because we're going to be covering it up right now with some of these beautiful duochromes. So I think I'm going to go in with Eye of Newt, this one first, and then maybe go in with Spider Venom or this one over here, Arsenic Wine. But let's start with this other one. I'm going to take that on the same damp Morphe M124. I'm going to do this all over. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna leave this as is. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else to the top, but I'm gonna go back in with these two matte shades that I use. I'm gonna start first with this one, and then I'm gonna tight line with Bat Wings. Taking this shade on a BK A504. Now I'm using a BK Beauty 210. I'm just gonna keep that really close to the lash line and only about halfway. And add a little bit more of the first shade. Now on a Game Beauty E09, I'm gonna go in with Arsenic Wine. I did spray the brush. Ooh, this is pretty. All right, guys, I will be right back with those finishing touches to show you all the completed look number 2. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with a NYX Epic Wear Smoky eyeliner. This one is in the shade Sage Sparks. And I love it. Look at that pink to green reflect. I think this is beautiful. Two beautiful, fun looks, festive looks, but they're not necessarily Halloween looks. I'm loving this palette, and now I'm gonna take some quick pictures and then we're gonna play with the greens because I am anxiously awaiting to dive into that matte green and some of the other green duochromes that are in this palette. So I will be right back. I'll probably remove, ooh, no, it's probably easier for me to remove this look. So I'll be right back. Okay, now I get to play with this green shadow Frankenstein, and I'm definitely going to want to play with Goblin Snot. How funny is that? And then what else? Oh, we have not used Spider Venom. So I definitely need to incorporate those two, and I think that's it. I think I've used all of them except for those two. Okay, so this is going to be easy. And, you know, I guess I'm going to use the again, or maybe not. Let me see how pigmented this green is. I'm going to pack this all over the lid, and I'm also going to blend it into the crease. Let's see what we can create with Frankenstein. I'm using my BK Beauty 205. Oh, that's a good green. That is so good. That is a really, really good green. I know the black would be great with it, but you know, I hate that I have to use the black for all of the shades in order to deepen up the look, but you know, using the black, it does kind of create a different shade. I have a feeling it'll look a little more purplish since the green is down first. But yeah, I think I want this to be a little bit deeper. I'm going to take the Rephr 13. We can do a little halo eye with this one. I'm going to add back some of the green to the center. Now we're going to go in with Goblin Snot, and I'm just going to pick this up with my finger. That's what it looks like. I'm going to apply this right in here. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh, that is beyond beautiful. I'm just touching up the black on both sides. Now I think I'm going to go back in with the green again for the lower lash line, and then we need to incorporate Spider Venom over here. I'm using my Rephr 26. Now I'm going in with the shade Spider Venom on a damp BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Wow, look at that shine. All right, guys, I've officially used all of the shades in this palette. I'm going to do maybe some black eyeliner for the lower waterline. I don't know, but let me take care of those finishing touches, and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 3. All right, guys, here is the completed look number 3. Rare Beauty for the top and lower lash line. I love it. Oh, that matte green is so good. That's like one of the best matte greens I think I've ever worked with in an eyeshadow palette. Like it was really good. I am so glad I got to use all of the shades in this Elements of Evil palette. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts. Okay guys, the Elements of Evil palette from Sugar Drizzle and Angela, aka Doodles by the Bunny, is definitely getting 2 thumbs up from me. This is a cute palette from the outside to what's inside. 12 pan palette. In here you're getting 4 mattes, you're getting 3 multi-chromes, and 5 duochrome shadows. This green is number 1. This is a fantastic green. This peach shade is really good and it complements the brighter orange so well. I'm so glad they went with the black and that they made it a sequin shade. It just gives the looks a little bit of extra sparkle like they need it, because these duo and multi-chromes that are in here are top notch. They're beautiful, beautiful. And I didn't even use a glitter primer. All I had to do was just spray the brush. I didn't get terrible amount of fallout to where you would need to do your eyes first, but if that's the way you usually do your looks, then have at it. But this is definitely a winner. If you guys pick this up, let me know in the comments if you got it, if you've received it. Mine just came in today. It is Saturday when I'm filming. Hopefully Saturday when you're watching, if not the day after. But yeah, I'm doing both filming, editing, and uploading all in one day. And I love this palette. Congratulations to Sugar Drizzle, Nikki, the owner, and to Angela, aka Doodles by the Bunny, on this really, really cute palette. Let me know your thoughts now, guys. Which look was your favorite? Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. Don't forget, it's Halloween weekend. Eat some candy, and I'm going to see you guys really soon. Bye.